Now, I know that you're partnered closely with Salesforce. Was that part of the strategic decision when you developed that product?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'll just kind of take you back to me prior to me joining Propel. When I was approached by the recruiter about the role, they had said, "Hey, there's this company that's got a new PLM solution," and that's how it was pitched, right? You ought to check them out. And my thought was, what does the world need? A new PLM, one more PLM solution?
That is a question.
Because I spent a lot of time working with one of them, 20 plus years. But he said, no, to talk to them. They're doing something different. So I talked to the CEO, who's co-founder at the time, and really did see that he was taking a very novel, unique approach to solving the traditional, still persistent problems in the marketplace. And as the technology underpinning, he was basing it on the Salesforce platform. Now, many of our customers didn't know about Salesforce, don't care about Salesforce, couldn't spell Salesforce before they started to understand what Propel was. And you don't need to. That's the beauty of it, is that everything you need from Salesforce is packaged up in our solution. If you happen to be a Salesforce customer and want to adopt it, you can unify those and get even more advantages, but you don't have to be. But back to your question, it was, can we take a new approach by not having to invest a lot of time and effort and energy into building the foundation? Instead, let's inherit that from what happens to be one of the biggest, best B2B enterprise collaboration platforms in the world. And let's focus our resources on the business logic and intelligence and application layer on top of it.